if you are running a local business and if you are working for a client who has the local business and you want him to rank on Google Maps, so the reviews is the biggest challenge in Google Maps ranking, right? So most of the people face the issues that either their competitors they launch a like negative, they want to ruin your like reputations online, right? So they started running a fake reviews campaign to your Gmail profile or to your client's Gmail profile. So if you're facing these issues, just watch this video entirely. I cover the all things you should consider, and I in the like at the end of the video, I will tell you the three ways so you can go and use them to handle the reviews, negative reviews, or you can report them. Let's start. So the first thing is, what is Google Business Reviews? So reviews is just a, like giving the compliment to the business about their services, right? If I used if I used any service from like any local, like I need some plumbing service at my home, I called someone nearby my locations. Uh, the team came to my home, they fix all the issues, and then I left a reviews, like it's some kind of like uh, I'm saying some good words about them. So like when the other people are searching for same services, they can read my thoughts that how they serve me, right? So these are the things. Reviews is a like top in like reviews, your business reviews is in like top three ranking factors for your maps ranking. The next one is understand the difference between the reviews. Like there is two types of reviews, the fake reviews and the genuine reviews. Like fake reviews doesn't mean that you are getting 1 star review, right? Just make it clear. Like fake reviews, maybe like they have three-star reviews, they have 4 star reviews, but but in the review they said some negative things about your business, right? It's not a star game, it's a game of the words, the text they put on your profile, right? And the genuine reviews, like people are very loved your services and they want to thank you uh, through the recommendations. Reviews means recommendations. Third one is understand reply means acceptance if genuine, right? It means if you are replying to any reviews, means that you already accepted that these are the real reviews, correct? So like if you are getting reviews, either they are fake or the genuine, you should reply to each and every like reviews, so like people can understand that how you deal with the your past customers, right? The fourth one is judge fake or genuine reviews. 1 star review isn't a disaster, right? So like when people are lefting 1 star reviews and they are doing some negative, like they are doing some negative talk, or they are putting some negative thoughts with working with you, it's not a disaster thing that like you got a like 1 star review and Google will penalize you, or Google can like review like suspend you. No, it's about your reputations. Like if you are continuously getting 1 star review, still Google don't suspend you, but like it directly impact your business. When a new people search for your business, if they found you eventually, it's very hard. If you are getting 1 star reviews and the all the reviews full with the negative words and thoughts, then it's very hard for you to like be on the top of the map. But like if there is low competition and you are like outside of the reviews, you optimize your website, you did pretty much everything which is needed to help your Jimmy profile to rank higher. So like once eventually found your profile on Google Maps, like it's a human psychology that before buying anything, we all want to all want to read the reviews about the business, about the product, about the services, right? If I need to buy something from the Amazon, then I go to Amazon, I select the product, and I go directly to the reviews part first, and I start reading the reviews that the recent people have, like what they left for this product, like how was their experience with this product. If I found all the reviews satisfied, like they are saying some good words about the product, then I go and buy it. Like reviews is the like primary factor that customer go and check before they use your services and they use your products, right? So how like so far you know what is the reviews, types of reviews, the fake and the genuine reviews, like how people how reviews can like change your destiny of your business. And the last one is the way to face fake reviews. So i'm going to I'm going to consider the ways to fake reviews is that there is three ways. First way, reply fake reviews smartly. Means that if someone left a review like negative reviews on your profile, they must have some bad experience with your team or your services. It's true. Like this is the first scenario. Like either you did the best services according to you, but still the customer is not satisfied by your services. So how you can go and smart reviews like reply the reviews smartly. I'm just showing you an example. Like for this business, like they have almost 5-star reviews, like all in like 109 reviews, almost are like 5-star reviews. But just short the reviews by lowest rating. You can filter all the reviews and just read the first one. The user is saying that Anya is impossible to book. Then look at the review, how the team from this tattoo shop they replied to that person. Like they replied in depth, right? It's not one line. That sorry for the inconvenience, right? It's not one line review reply. They exactly encounter the issues and they tell them that what are the circumstances. That's why it's very hard for this person to book that particular tattoo artist, right? So you can go and check this review, and they replied in a polite manner. So like for the another review, he left a 2-star review, but uh, without any words. So still they they share their email ID directly. They share them the address, right? And who replies, who is the manager, like the name, right? So every they are putting lots of effort to replying these kind of reviews. So you should like make a habit of reply the like lowest rated reviews first. The reason, when you start applying these reviews, so the other people when they go through the reviews, they understand that your competitors are doing these like bad publicity about you, right? So it will impact your future customers in a right way. The second thing is You can flag a review. You can flag the fake reviews. How you can do that? If you thought that this review is fake, you can just go to you can just go to this person, flag as inappropriate. I just go and do that. So like I can do this, that it's like harassment. Okay, I submit this request. So Google will go and check the profile of this person, the who is left in the reviews, and they check that is this person is lefting review like 1 star reviews to all of the reviews, or like he's the genuine one. So like you can go and check it's by yourself also. You can check that this person is doing 3 star, 4 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 star, 5 star, 5 star reviews, 5 star, 4 star, 5 star. So like means that this person is seems to be genuine one. And you can also see the tag here, the local guide level 5, right? So to earn this badge, you don't be a scammer. You cannot be a scammer, right? Last one is you can contact Google My Business support, right? If you are like if you are counter the fake reviews constantly, like you have like multiple competitors around in your area, and they're all together to ruin your reputations, and they are constantly attacking on your reputations. So you can go to contact like Google My Business support. This is the support link, and you can go to Google support, and like you can tell them the exact scenario and the problem with your reviews you are getting on your Google business profile. If you go and follow these steps before judge any review, like is it fake or the genuine review, you should understand that why people are lefting the 1 star reviews to your business. Is there any internal issues with your product, with your services? Your team is not doing the great work, right? Just fix it first, then go to the reviews, reply them with a polite manner, ask them to uh, try to communicate with them outside of the Google business platform, right? Offer them some kind of you can offer them some kind of discount, or some kind of voucher, and ask them to remove, and you can do a request to them that please remove that review from the profile. So you can just do some negotiations here, right? And then if they are not ready to review remove the reviews, you can go to the Google business support team. You can reach out to them. So like if you find this videos helpful, just like this video, share this video, and just follow subscribe my channel for like more updates on the GMB maps, uh, voice devices maps, like voice device optimizations, like how you can, and you can go and ask something to Siri, Alexa, then how like on maps how you can dominate it. So like I covered most of these type of content on this channel in future. So just don't forget to subscribe this channel. Till then, bye bye. Take care.